Hi, welcome to my channel Hacks. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix this error in Linux. This error comes when you are trying to install something and yet you are not a root user. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to gain root user in just one command. The thing you have to do is open up your terminal and then just type. Let me just show you the error which I'm telling you. Let me just try to install something. apt install blender. I'm using blender, so this is the error. So it's showing me the error, and after the end it shows me that are you root. So in order to gain the root user, you can write sudo and then apt install blender. So you can see this is my password, and then it's working. In order to gain the real root user, you must write sudo su, then press enter, then again your root user. So let me repeat the command above. Let me repeat this command here. Copy, let me paste it here, press enter. So you see, I have fixed this error. So thanks for watching. This is all I had for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Yeah, goodbye, and I'll see you again in my next video.